Setting up JobPro for a single user is very straightforward. So let's just say that you've downloaded the trial version. One option with the trial version is that you download what's called the runtime version, which includes a runtime version of FileMaker Pro. This saves you having to download the full FileMaker Pro application separately from FileMaker's website on filemaker.com. So when you have a look at this folder, here we're looking at it on a Mac, but we'll have a look on the Windows environment in a minute. We can see that there's the main application icon here that you'll double click on to open. So basically, you can store the JobPro folder anywhere on your computer. The main thing is to make sure that you back it up regularly. And when you want to back up JobPro, just close it first. Don't try and back up an open set of files. If you've purchased JobPro from us, most likely then you're not using the runtime version, which is usually just for the trial version. And your JobPro folder will look something like this. So you'll have installed FileMaker Pro on your computer, and when you then double click on the JobPro database, it'll automatically launch FileMaker Pro and open up JobPro from there. If we take a look at this on a Windows machine, so let's say we've downloaded the trial version, runtime version for Windows. Well, it downloads as a zip file. Now what you need to do is on Windows, because it doesn't automatically uncompress the zip file, is when you double click on the downloaded zip file, you're actually looking at what's in the zip file. So what you don't want to do is try and run it from within the zip file, which would happen if you clicked into the JobPro Central folder and then into here and open up JobPro that way. What you want to do is, we go back to the top level again, where we've double clicked on the zip file, and we right click on the folder, select copy, and then simply paste that out onto your desktop or somewhere on your computer. So once the JobPro folder has been extracted from the zip file, we can close the zip file, and then you could remove that if you like. And then if we go into the new JobPro folder, in the runtime version, which is where you don't have FileMaker Pro, we then double click into the JobPro Central Files folder, and from within here we open up the JobPro Central exe file, which is the runtime application. Now if you're using the non-runtime standard version, well then we do the same thing. We double click into the downloaded zip file, and then we would copy and paste the actual JobPro Central folder so that it extracted out of the zip file, and that you don't try and run it or launch it from within the zip file. So when that's complete, we can close the zip file and we can go into the extracted JobPro Central folder, and in here, because this is not the runtime version, we simply just double click on the JobPro database itself, and that will automatically launch the FileMaker Pro application on your computer.